Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to equip M4A1-S and M4A4 in CS2. Okay, first things first, open the loadout menu in your CS2. Next step is to choose city side. On the city side, just locate the list of categories. Select rifles next by clicking on the category labeled rifles. From the list of rifles, just select either M4A4 or M4A1-S based on your preference. Next method is to drag the chosen rifle to the desired equipment slot. To replace the existing weapon, just drop the selected rifle into the field to replace an existing weapon. For example, replace the FAMAS with M4A4 or M4A1-S. And the last but optional steps is to equip both rifles. Just repeat the process to equip both M4A4 and M4A1-S simultaneously based on your preferences. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now equip M4A1-S and M4A4 in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!